aka Grandmom, and we're here today to make some tasty homemade brownies that are called lunch lady brownies. So we got this recipe, and it's kind of a retro kind of brownie recipe. So I'm assuming, I've never had brownies made at school for me, but somebody must have made brownies at some point for lunch at school. So we're going to try this recipe out, which we think will be a great recipe for summer barbecues, summer parties, pool parties, picnics, something that would be easy to make and take along.
My birthday party.
Your birthday party, that's right, Beau.
July.
Yeah. So right now, Luke is going to pan the ingredients for these brownies, which aren't many.
So let's see. We have 1.5 cups of sugar, a half teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of baking powder, cocoa powder, a half cup of that,
3 eggs,
3/4 cup of flour, 3/4 cups of butter, and 3/4 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
Okay. Thank you, Luke.
So it's not many ingredients.
Nope.
We got the icing yet.
Yeah, and we have icing. These look really yummy. They have a chocolate icing too. So if
Yeah,
you're a
these are
chocolate
fancy.
lover, I think you're gonna enjoy these. At least I hope. We've never tried them, so we're hoping for good things. Okay.
I hope.
Should we get started now?
I hope they turn out good.
Me too, because I know you were very disappointed with our lemon cookies. So hopefully these will be a winner for you. Here we are.
Hello, welcome back. Now we are
About to start our recipe, right? And Beau's going to crack the eggs.
I got it.
Good job. So the first thing you do is mix your 3 eggs, butter. I'm sorry, 3 eggs, sugar.
Hello, it's supposed to go in here.
Oh, I'm sorry. Here, put that in there. 3 eggs, sugar, and the vanilla together.
Got it.
Good job.
I'm cool.
On top of it today with the eggs.
Yeah.
I'm helping.
Okay, help me.
Ugh. Gross.
All right, last egg, Beau, and then you can clean your hands. Here you go. Whoa. Whoa, you got that one. Woohoo!
I'm trying to be
Beau and the eggs.
You're going to break it open? You're going to break it open? Is that a no?
Yeah. I will do. Oh, gross.
Okay, so that's our 3 eggs. Beau, you were great on cracking today.
Fast.
Yeah, very fast. Okay, next we have, oh, you probably want to clean your hands here.
We gotta mix
Clean your hands. No, not yet. Clean your hands.
Oh.
Okay. Next
Here.
we're going to add
Tell me what I should grab.
we're going to add our sugar.
1.5 cups of sugar.
1.5 cups of
I
sugar.
stuck my finger in.
That's okay. Now you have a sweet finger. Okay, and the last thing we're going to mix now. Here, it goes over here.
And the last
Is
thing we're gonna
vanilla.
mix
3/4 of a
now
teaspoon.
is vanilla.
3/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to
give
put
me
that mixer on as soon as I put it over here near Beau.
1.
Yep, 1 would probably be okay to start. Okay, our butter thickened up a little bit because it was melted for a little while.
Got it.
So we're going to
There's a
put
little
that in there.
grip here.
Okay,
Good job cleaning,
Did
Beau.
it.
okay,
Now we'll start this back up.
okay. Go ahead.
Back on the 1.
2. 1, 2. There you go. Okay, so we're going to beat that together. And once it's had a few seconds to beat in there, we're going to add, let it go, we're going to add our flour, cocoa, baking powder, and salt. And that's it. So, here we go. We're going to add in the flour. Ready?
Wow. And, I mean, this is a really quick recipe where our
you know what? Let's just give this a quick mix first.
Good idea.
So not every.
Go
ahead, do it. Just a stir. 1 is fine. You just want to stir it so everything's not popping out of the.
And it's good that this is a quick recipe, so it's nice and easy if you need a quick thing to make for a party or gathering.
And you know, it's something you made at home, and it will taste great, and it didn't come out of a box.
Yeah.
There you go. Try again. Just one, please.
Right here.
Because we don't want to all be covered in cocoa, although that might not be a bad thing. Okay, one more thing we have to add. Oh, Luke, can you push that to us, please?
I'm stopping this.
You ready? Okay. Here you
Or
go.
should I let it go?
And that is the salt and the baking powder.
Right. All right, go ahead. Okay, that looks pretty completed.
Oh gosh.
What, you all right?
I'm gonna
Okay, so we're gonna get well, you should have your 9 by 13 baking pan
wait,
buttered and ready to go. We're gonna get that out
Hold
here.
on.
What?
Preheat your oven.
Preheat your oven to do you know what? I don't know if you read that. 350 degrees. Preheat your oven.
I read that.
You did? Okay, preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and we'll get our baking pan, and we'll come back. We'll pour it out, put it in the oven, and in what, 25 minutes, we will have brownies.
Yeah, but we have to make frosting.
Oh, we do have to make the frosting. Okay, well, spread it out nice. And it says 30 to 35 minutes, but we'll be checking about at 25 minutes just in case, because such a
We don't want to
narrow.
burn or
It's not very much batter in there. Okay.
Okay. See you after it bakes. We'll come back. We're actually going to taste the batter all together. As a family.
Wait a minute. I would like to get some too.
I'll wait. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready, guys? I ate that whole thing.
Get in the picture there, Loogie.
I ate that whole thing.
You ate the whole thing. You want more?
Sure.
What do you think of it?
It's pretty good, actually.
Pretty good, actually. Wow.
Tastes very fresh.
Yeah, it's not super sweet or anything.
All that sugar.
Tastes
Has a
like
nice balance of chocolate flavor.
Yeah, so we'll wait to see when they're cooked if they taste as good as the batter.
Hi, welcome back.
Now that our bellies are full of pizza, right?
That's what we have for lunch.
That's what we have for lunch. We're going to make the icing. Our brownies are cooling. And
Wait.
They turn out really good. Like,
yes,
look-wise.
They look beautiful.
How long do we bake them for?
We actually baked them for 25 minutes. It says about 30 or 30 plus, but we checked at 25, and they were perfect
We
at 25.
don't do 30.
So it really would depend on your oven.
Yep. And they rose. They definitely rose.
Yeah, they rose nicely for that
Okay,
little bit of batter. And
but,
it looks like nice
What's
pieces
first?
of brownie are going to
Should
come
I
out of
turn
that.
this on?
No, we need to first.
We gotta put the ingredients in, Beau.
Okay, but you were going to pan them, remember?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Right now we're going to make the right now we're going to make the frosting.
Now the light's a little weird, but it is 1/4 cup of butter, melted, 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, 1
quarter cup
cocoa powder, and 2 1/4 cups of powdered sugar.
And the first thing we're going to do is combine our cocoa
and our powdered
and our butter.
Yeah.
Let's get this.
And as
No,
Grandma,
don't turn anything on, please.
as Grandma explained, is the butter is the fat to the cocoa powder, like we have in a chocolate bar.
Oh, shout out to Leonora too.
Oh yeah.
Aunt Leonora, what have I
Here,
said?
let's do that. Let's do that quickly.
Okay, you want to do that?
Here, I'll come around. We'd like to give a very big shout out.
After they drop everything.
Okay.
Kick everything.
Bring the chair over. Okay. We'd like to give her a giant. Let me come over here. We'd like to give
I
her
said her name.
a giant shout out because she sent us
She sent Beau
Sent
for
Beau.
his birthday.
for his birthday some measuring
cups
spoons.
and spoons that are collapsible
They're collapsible, very good compacting
and very
for
convenient.
storage,
Yeah.
and they're very convenient, and they worked great today when we were mixing out all of our ingredients.
So thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Leonora.
Thank you,
Aunt
Aunt
Leonora.
Leonora.
Bye.
Yes. Okay. Now back to your regular programmed phone.
Alright,
Is that how you say it?
let's do this.
All right, now we're pouring in the butter.
This is a lot of butter.
So, all right, we got it. Thank you.
Oh.
So, if you normally, I guess most
Turn this
normal
on.
brownie recipes would call for chocolate
turn this on.
blocks or chocolate bars of chocolate that you break
Let me
in.
turn this.
But this one is using
Rocket.
cocoa, so we have to add the fat back
Two.
into it. Cocoa powder.
Rocket.
Oh, sorry, honey. Go ahead.
2.
Ready? 2. Okay, that's good. All right.
And
Powder
now-
and sugar a little at a time, though, okay?
Now we'll
Ready?
mix it for a few minutes and then we'll.
Okay.
That was all of it. Was it all of it?
No, look, we got a whole bunch more in there. Okay, let's do this slow.
Mix it. So I think what
Okay,
I'll
we can do it on the next one now. Okay, so we have our icing. It's not a lot of icing, but it only has to go on top of the.
Whoa, look at that.
Look at that. Okay, so we're going to see if our brownies are cool enough to ice. And
try.
then we're going to try them because that's the best part of the whole thing, right? And of course, we'll have a little taste test of the icing because everybody's anxious to see how that tastes. Okay, we'll be back with our taste testing.
We just finished
Baking
baking
and
our,
cooling.
and cooling our brownies.
And they came out we think they came out really nice. Nicely.
And we haven't even fried them.
We haven't tried them yet, but we're going to ice them and then we're going to
We
try
did
them.
that.
We didn't ice them. We have the frosting right here.
Oh.
See, there's our frosting. So we're going to frost them right now. And we're going to get this started.
Yes.
I think we're done,
Thank
though.
you.
Good.
Now we can try them.
Yep, now we'll be back to try them.
Okay, here you go. Here's our finished product. We're going to cut them, plate them, and eat them.
And we'll be back to try them.
We'll be back in a
Eat
minute.
'em.
3,
2, 1.
Whoa. Okay.
What do you think, Beau?
A little bit dry.
You mean moist?
Whatever
moist.
you call
They
it.
are moist, but you can have milk if you're dry. They are moist.
They're very moist. And they're oh my gosh.
We've been waiting the whole morning for this.
I can't believe
Oh no.
Definitely, well, check. I would check these at 25 minutes, definitely.
Definitely make here.
We could not have cooked these more.
Definitely make here.
Definitely a make.
Will you say so?
Yeah, must make. These are really quick and easy for any party, summer, winter.
I'm gonna have
But
another
really a great take along for a summer
birthday
party, birthday party,
They'll be at
barbecue,
They'll be at our Memorial Day.
picnic. Delicious.
Should I have another bite of this?
Can you need help?
Yeah.
I'm having another piece of this.
Oh,
You want some of this one?
what?
Okay, hold on.
Oh, can
Hold
you-
on. They're so moist, they're falling apart on Beau as he grabs them. There you go, Beau.
It's very moist, very chocolatey. So what do we think, everyone?
What do you rate them, Beau?
I weigh these. Drummer, please.
What'd you rate them? Oh, drummer.
24.98.
24.98 out of what?
Out of
8.
10.
Out of 8.
What do you weigh them?
10 out of 10.
Come on.
Best
maybe
brownie
even
ever.
12 out of 10. I don't know.
Literally the best.
Yeah, really good homemade brownies.
Well, you can have one now.
What's up? Look at all that
Ma,
chocolate.
you can have one, Ma.
So chocolately.
Mm.
Recipe will be in the description. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Please subscribe if you haven't already.
I
Subscribe.
know people who did.
Like us.
Rob did.
Like us.
Yeah. Subscribe, comment, like, share.
Right.
Follow
Yeah.
us on Instagram at Beau&Roe.
And where else, Beau?
Freaking big stop me.
At CP Can't Stop Me.
CP
CP Can't Stop B.
Beau.
Good job, Beau. That was good. And yeah, thank you to Aunt Leonora for the measurings.
Yes, the
They were
measuring
very
cups.
helpful today.
And come back again
to
and
her.
see us.
Yeah, come back next time.
And
Wait,
thank you
wait,
for
wait,
coming
wait.
back this time and
Wait.
every other time.
Bye.
Okay, have a
Bye.
great
Bye.
day. Come on, lock the bowl.
Bowl's locked.
You sure?
All right, you ready for one more
Wait,
tablespoon?
Come on, it's not locked. You're going the wrong way.
Come
It's
on.
locked enough for now.
Come on.
Wait,
Ready?
no, it's not. You have to have it.
It's locked.
Well, you said you were going the wrong way.
Oh, Grandma,
So-
hold on. Do you know where it is? Is it in? Come on, that's not in at all.
Well, then it has to be taken out.
Yeah, you know, we have to fix it. Hold on, pick it out. Plug it over here. Then it's
Okay.
like that.
All right.
And then you lock it.
Okay.
Let me do it. Luke.
Here, Belle, we need another
like that.
tablespoon of this. You just want to lick the icing?
Smell that from in there, Mom?
It
Smell that, Ma?
It smells delicious. Yeah, it smells amazing. Beau is in.
I'm sorry, was I hurting you? Or did you, oh, you got icing on your hand? Oh my God.
Can you do that again, Beau?
Here, try it right there. Right here.
Beau's in chocolate paradise.